Join me as I put together workout routines for beginners, intermediates, and athletes, and challenge myself to complete each one in just 1 week. Choosing the right workout plan is crucial, as it can make all the difference in achieving your fitness goals, whether you're just starting out or an experienced athlete. Many people struggle to find a workout routine that matches their fitness level and goals, often leading to frustration and disappointment. This struggle is real, and it can be overwhelming with all the information out there. People often try a routine that's too advanced, get discouraged, and give up. Others may stick to a routine that's too easy, plateau, and never see progress. Finding the right balance is key. A lot of times people don't know where to start, and that's what holds them back from reaching their full potential. They might have goals in mind, but don't know how to create a plan to achieve them. This is where understanding your fitness level and goals becomes essential. The internet is flooded with workout routines, and it can be hard to know what works and what doesn't. People often follow a routine without considering their own needs and fitness level, and that's when injuries can happen. It's essential to take the time to understand your body and what it can handle. Getting the right guidance is crucial, and that's what I'm here to provide so you can create a workout plan that suits your needs and helps you achieve your goals. For beginners, it's all about focusing on form and building a strong foundation. This means starting with simple exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges, and gradually increasing the intensity. As you get more comfortable, you can add more complex movements and weights. For intermediates, it's about adding intensity to your workouts, maybe by increasing the weight or the number of reps. This is where you can start to see real progress and notice changes in your body. Athletes, on the other hand, need to optimize their performance, which means tailoring their workout routine to their specific sport or goal. This might involve specialized exercises like plyometrics or agility training to improve power and speed. Key exercises for athletes include explosive movements like box jumps and burpees. Intermediates can also benefit from incorporating high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, into their routine, which involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. This type of training can be incredibly effective for improving cardiovascular fitness and burning fat. Beginners can start with bodyweight exercises, and as they get stronger, they can move on to free weights or machines, gradually increasing the weight and intensity of their workouts. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workout itself, and many people overlook this crucial aspect of fitness. Without proper rest, your body can't recover from the stress of exercise, and this can lead to injury or burnout. It's essential to listen to your body and give it the time it needs to recover. A good tip is to make sure you're getting enough sleep, as this is when your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and try to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Recovery techniques like foam rolling and stretching can also be incredibly helpful in reducing muscle soreness and improving flexibility. Taking the time to stretch after a workout can make a big difference in how you feel the next day. Incorporating rest days into your routine is also vital, as this allows your body to recover and rebuild, making you stronger and more resilient over time. To sum it up, choosing the right workout plan is all about understanding your fitness level and goals and tailoring your routine accordingly, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or athlete, and don't forget to prioritize rest and recovery. If you've got a fitness journey you'd like to share, or any questions about the routines I've covered, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and workout ideas.